It was always my dream to work for a national health law firm. And, 40 years ago, I started law school at night while I was working full time in hospital administration as a director of planning, creating new programs. And it was clear to me at that time that, health law was a big part of putting together new programs. And it was something that I wanted to do. And every night at about 10 o'clock, as I was getting home from law school, I kept asking myself, why am I doing this? And the answer that I kept giving was that, hopefully someday you'll be able to do this at a big national law firm helping healthcare clients. And that was what I was able to do here at Epstein Becker Green. I've been able to work with clients from startups to some of the biggest healthcare providers in the country, helping them develop and expand new programs. So that's probably the biggest thing, from a milestone standpoint. This actually is my second time at the firm. I was here for a while, left for a very short period of time in the recession of 2009, and came back. I, I realized after I left that the resources here were unrivaled. And I wanted to come back, and I did. And the nicest thing is that the day I came back, I was able to log into my computer and start right back up from where I left. All my old documents were still there. But most importantly, the welcoming reception that I received when I returned was unbelievable. No one seemed to be upset that I left for a short period of time. As a matter of fact, they seemed glad that I had returned and utilized me and incorporated me into projects and assisted with my clients. Epstein Becker and Green offers other opportunities. I've been fortunate to serve on the healthcare steering committee for the health and life sciences practice, as well as be the editor of the health law blog, and also the editor of our antitrust fight that goes out on a regular basis. And so I think that for any attorneys who are considering Epstein Becker and Green, it's important for them to know that there are other things that they can do other than just practice law. There are ways to market themselves and their practices, and that the firm is very, very, very supportive of those initiatives. My advice for anyone who's thinking about joining the firm is don't even think about it, just do it. The people that I work with, both the attorneys and the staff, have become really family and friends. We've been through, marriages, births, deaths, all of life's moments, and they were there for me, and I hope that I've been there for them for those moments. But it's important to understand that because Epstein Becker and Green staffs projects across all offices, we work with attorneys and staff in every single office, whether it's New York or DC, Ohio, Florida, California, and so we get to know everybody on a pretty deep level, and they become far more than colleagues. They really do become your friends and family.